Hello everyone. So we've learned a lot about debt. We learned about mortgage, house debt. Yet we learned about car loan, um, a loan for car. Um, yes. Yeah. Now, today we're gonna learn about student loan, which is a loan for student. Okay, so taking a debt, that means you have to borrow money from someone. So here is student debt. Taking on debt to increase your education is a good investment. Yes, it's a very good investment because a good education can increase your earning power. And yes, it is easier to get a better paying job if you have a college degree. So let's say you really want to attend college, and you already have a lot of money. You've saved up a lot of money in your previous year at school or at work, but you still don't have enough money for college yet, so you're gonna have a student loan. So mostly they would use this money for college. Yes. So you would study college like for 4 years, the first 2 years, then the first year, the the first year, the second year, the junior year, and the senior year. So the starting so about that, let's say the starting salary for someone with a bachelor degree is around $40,000. Without any college education, starting salary is about $28,000. So, with a college degree, you can have a lot of money working. That's the starting degree of some with a bachelor degree. Starting degree with $40,000. That's the starting. The starting is a lot. That's just the starting, and after that, if you did a lot of work and you did really good, then that's gonna just keep going up. So let's see. So always, um, would you buy your books? Your books, yes, when you buy your books and all kind of
to go to
stuff. So when you buy your books and all kind of stuff, your student loan, let's say, okay, when you buy all your books and all your stuff, you need for college, what college school. So it will be about $20,000 a year, and you need to study for a year. So then, for a year, each year is $20,000. Then that would be $80,000, because that would be $80,000 the whole 4 years at college. Yes, that's a lot of money. It's a lot of money. Many people cannot afford it. So that's why there's student loan. But with a college degree, starting salary for someone with a bachelor degree of college is around $40,000. But without any college education, starting salary is just gonna be about $28,000. So if you have like a college degree of like your bachelor degree, $40,000 is the starting salary. So you can definitely pay for a student loan. Yes, you can definitely pay for them. But remember, there's interest rate. The interest rate is for the student loan range. It's only from like 4% to 8%. Also, it is less expensive to go to an in-state school rather than out of state school. So maybe you're planning to go to a school like in your state, then the money, it's gonna like not very much. But if you go out of state and you go to somewhere else, school somewhere else, then the money is gonna be higher. So, yeah, you should go to an in-state school. I think so. But if you like to go for an out-of-state school, it's your choice. But it's less expensive to go to an in-state school than an out-state school. It is always good to pay off your debt as soon as possible so that less interest will accumulate it. Less debt equal less interest charge. Okay, so your bachelor degree is around $40,000. The starting salary, yes, the starting salary is about that. But if you do really good, they might pay you like $80,000, and then you work with some of the interest too. You might be able to pay that. Yes. So now let's practice the way we calculate it. It's the same. Fred family is poor, but it really wanted to attend college. Could getting a student loan be a wise decision for Fred? Okay, Fred family is poor, so that means they doesn't have the money for Fred to go to college, but Fred wants to go to college. I think a student loan would do because Fred could work later with a bachelor degree, and then later he's gonna come back and pay for that. So it won't be no because it's not gonna be A because it said no. Since Fred family's already poor, there's no reason that he should get them into debt. Of course, he would have to pay them himself and not his family. It's just not gonna be B either because it's a no. Only yes because I told you. Yes, with a college degree, can pay back the debt and then some interest too. Jim is choosing a college. Where will he probably be able to get the most economical education? So Jim is choosing a college where he will probably be able to get most economical education. So if he wants to get, if he, in his state, if there's is economical education in one of the college and maybe it's really good. Yes, so if it's in state and it's pretty good and it also have like economical education, then he should learn in state if there is. But if not, then he should try out state. If there's still not, he would have to choose another one, or if he have a lot of money, he can go out of the country. But I think what's but this will be dependent on his choice. But I think I'll choose one of them. I'm not sure which one is correct answer, so let's see. In state, oh my god, in state is correct answer. Well, I think it's dependent on his choice because we have economical education is the best, and he should choose that. Which statement best describe the use of a student loan to get an education? I think is you can do this because this is the last question. Thank you for coming and have a wonderful day.